to my channel. I have an unboxing video for you today. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what this is. You can always find my Instagram link down below. I was inspired to do this after watching Cindy on Llama's Love Lettering video about a review of this product, and I decided that I was going to take the plunge and do it for myself. So let's open it up and see what I've got. So it comes in a nice priority shipping package, and then inside we have bubble wrap. Another bubble wrap package. Whoa. I really need to get a new tripod, y'all. Really, really, really bad. Alright. So let's see if I can do this without tipping my tripod over. Again. I'm going to take it off camera to open the rest of it. Maybe. There we go. Okay. What I have here, that's right, it is a passion planner. It is in an undated form, because you can get it dated or undated. They are actually going to be doing away with the size, which is called the classic size. It measures 8.5 by 11. So they're going to be doing away with this. They're going to a size that's called the Pro, and it's comparable to the size of the Erin Condren. I believe it's around 7 by 9. They also are doing away with their compact size, which is 8.5 by 5.5. So, yeah. But I decided to do this. I was originally going to get the Rose Gold Pro that Cindy got. But it was an academic start, and their academic start is August. And after looking at all these videos on Facebook and reading about this product and looking at the story behind it, I could not wait until August to start this planner. So I got an undated version. I could have gotten a rose gold one in the classic. But you know, I kind of didn't want to. I got what is called the paw print brown. It has a little embossed paw print on the back, which I think is super adorable. And then it has the Passion Planner logo embossed on the front. And what I liked about this planner is that $1 for every one of these limited edition planners sold, they are donating to a local animal rescue. I have 2 dogs. I love my dogs to death. One of them is a rescue, and any chance I have to give back to the pet rescue community, I will do it. So I thought that that was awesome that they had a cause. So this is a vegan leather cover. So it's a faux leather. It kind of has that granulated look to it, like it's been worn in, which looks really nice. And then you come inside here, and it has the Give One, Get One program that they do, which you can sign up to be a sponsor for. It has the If Found, Please Return To. And then, since this is limited edition, they only printed 3,500 of these. And out of 3,500, I am 433. So I think that that's really cool. And it says underneath, thank you for helping our furry friends find their forever homes. So that's awesome. And this is also printed on recycled paper, which is totally sweet. I'm gonna move my son's retainer instructions out of the way there. This paper is 120 GSM, and I've got to tell you, it feels flipping amazing. I really, really like this. So when you flip the page, it gives you a little story about how you'll benefit from the Passion Planner. And then there's a section called the Fresh Start. It asks you 3 questions and you get to answer these. Then it tells you a little bit about the planner, the story behind the planner, how it's set up. It gives you all the social media that you can stay connected. And then this is what drew me into this planner, was the Passion Roadmap. I have always had the best intentions of setting goals, but have never done so successfully. And there are some goals that I really want to set for myself, and I really want to hold myself accountable for. So I'm really going to give this a shot. I'm going to fill this out, and I'm going to try to give this a shot and see what I can accomplish. Then after that, it tells you about how the planner's set up, why writing works, which I'm a firm believer in paper planners over digital planners, because I just do better when I write things down. That's how my brain operates. And then it talks about why prioritizing works, which I have no doubt that prioritizing things works, and that's how you get your goals accomplished. Then the passion planning, tying it all together. You dream big, break it down, work at it, and it shows you like an example of a mind map and how you transfer that into your weekly layouts, which I think is awesome. I've watched a crap ton, and I mean a crap ton of passion planner videos over the last week. I ordered this on Wednesday the 13th, and it is Friday the 15th, and it is here. I'm in Michigan, and it came from California, so that was sweet. Then it has 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020 at a glance. I'm going to try and utilize this. I'm not sure how I'm going to utilize it yet, because I do have date dots from Erin Condren, and I have the new Erin Condren, and yeah. So if you see in here, because I'll be doing a setup video of this, I already put like date dots down for the important dates of the year. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. We're going to figure it out, because I'm still going to use my Erin Condren. I think it's going to be more of a like fun memory keeping type of thing. And this is the get your shit together, accomplish your goals type thing. Because it is undated, all of the months are in the front, and then the weeklies are after the months. So you have your blank month. You have month of, this month's focus, personal and work. I got the Monday start, which works better for me. I like seeing a Monday start. I mean, it's fine if the monthly calendar is a Sunday to Saturday, but the weekly has to be a Monday start. That's how I look at my week. So since I didn't get to choose that type of option, I went with Monday start all the way across the board. Then you have people to see, places to go, and a not to do list. And I absolutely love this idea. I'm definitely going to be putting myself on a no spend after the Erin Condren launch. And now getting a passion planner. So yeah. Then there's personal projects and work projects, top priority. This one says due dates for your top priority project, and then project, same thing. I'm probably not going to use it like this. I will probably utilize this differently, but I love this. And then this month, break it down, create a mind map of this month's game changer, which is where you can kind of like write your first of your goals down and how you're going to break it down this particular month to accomplish that goal or get a piece of that goal accomplished. Then what I also loved about this planner was the monthly reflection page. I'm a big journaler, and since I'm taking this new leaf and I want to hold myself accountable because there are lots of things that I want to do, and I will do a setup video of this and I will show you my passion roadmap once I have it filled out. But I think that this is a great idea. So it asks you 6 questions at the end of every month, and then at the end of the month, there's an end of the month checklist. It says highlight your accomplishments. Reform, which is choose this month's game changer from your roadmap. Use the space at the bottom right of your monthly layout to break down the goal into smaller steps and assign deadlines. And then set checkpoints. Move these steps into their respective weekly layouts as checkpoints to track progress, which is awesome. So then it continues for 12 months. You got a little Be Happy sticker in here. 6 months in, you get another mid-year passion roadmap, so you can revisit your original roadmap and see if anything's changed, if your goals or priorities have changed, which is awesome. And we keep flipping through the monthly, and I'm going to find some sort of like tab system to do with this because, yeah, I think I'm going to need tabs. And then at the end of the year, like right after your last month and monthly reflection, you have your end of the year reflection. And it asks you like the same 6 questions in a similar manner. So there's that, which is awesome. I don't know if this is focused like super well. The lighting is also starting to change for the day, so I apologize if the lighting truly sucks in this video. And then you have your weekly page. You have week of, you have Monday through Sunday, and you write the days in the little boxes. This week's focus and good things that happened. So it's kind of like a gratitude spot. And then you have a quote and like a little weekly exercise. Then you have today's focus under each day. And you have a calendar that goes hourly, well, half hourly, by the half hour from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. You have a personal to-do list, a week or work to-do list, which obviously I don't know if I'm going to use it this way, but we shall see. And then the space of infinite possibility. I have all sorts of ideas for this. You'll have to stay tuned because there will be plan with me's. And I will show you my ideas for this. So of course it goes through and it gives you all the weeks. The weekly layout never changes. And I really like that this is neutral. Very cool. And then you get into the notes section. And this was the other thing that I really enjoyed from Cindy's video. You have 20 blank pages. And then you have 20 grid pages. And I have all sorts of ideas for these. I'm very excited. And then you're at the end of the planner, and it's the seal of approval, hand inspected, and somebody has actually signed this. A real person actually signed this, which is awesome. And then you have, of course, the pocket at the back. It's a cross between like a vinyl and a fabric, I would say. It's glued in really sturdy. It looks really nice. And then you have your strap, which I appreciate that they did not put over. And I'm not going to lose this tripod again, guys. That they did not put over the planner, because I've seen in some videos how they put it over the planner and it kind of like indents the leather before you even use it. So I like that they didn't do that so that I can place it how I want it. But that is the Passion Planner in the Undated Monday Start Classic Size in paw print brown. And I'm really excited to start using this, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so I know that you like unboxings and planner content. As always, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are interested in the Passion Planner, you can use my email down below in the description box as like if you put it in the referral who referred you, if you put my email address in there, after so many referrals, apparently I get a free planner, which is cool. And then you can do the same thing. You get your passion planner, you share it with your friends and family, they use your email as their referral, and you get a free planner. So I think that that's really awesome. So that is my feelings and first impressions on the passion planner. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. Look for more videos. Stay tuned for more. I will show you a setup probably sometime next week. And yeah, that is that. So until next time, guys, happy planning.